my Telegram group. I need 2 monitors. I'm gonna buy another one. Shoot. How can I hide this? Telegram group. Yep. Anyone here? Who is here? That's the thing. I don't want to check this and open this window because it's gonna show up in live stream. Anyway, if you guys have any questions, please do not put on the live stream chat. Use my Telegram channel, Telegram group, and post the links, the questions there. Let me put the link for my Telegram group, actually. Here, add members, invite via link, copy link. Okay. And how can I edit thumbnail, description? Okay, Telegram. Join my Telegram group. Okay, I just put the link for my Telegram in the description. And okay, this is my live stream. This is my second live stream actually, and I'm just gonna learn how to do it in a better way to not give you access to this, backstage. Let's say backstage. Okay. So first things first, I want to talk about Bitcoin domination. Bitcoin domination. Let me go to the weekly. Okay, I think weekly it's a good chart. Yeah, it's a pretty good chart weekly. Okay, as you can see here, we have Bitcoin domination that, let me, okay, this is the support line. Okay, few weeks ago just hit the support line and now it's gonna go up. I mean, that's the trend. It's a horizontal trend right now. Okay, so what I'm expecting next weeks, January, next weeks, to go not here. This is the channel actually. Yeah, this is the channel where Bitcoin should move right now. This, if it's gonna break and retest, and then it's gonna jump back way higher. Okay, to the next resistance, which may be 57% dominance. But what do I mean with this? What do I want to say? The thing is with Bitcoin domination, So Bitcoin is trying to capture the market value. Okay, so smart money are not in altcoins, are moving to Bitcoin. What does mean? Bitcoin may go up, and altcoins may be down or maybe sideways, or some altcoins maybe go up with Bitcoin. But the most important thing is Bitcoin, it's gonna go up, and altcoins it's not gonna follow Bitcoin, and Ethereum not gonna follow Bitcoin, you know. And if the Bitcoin hit this target at 48 48 percent dominance, it's almost 50% dominance. Okay, what does mean? Ethereum and all the altcoins doesn't have power to move up. They don't have power, they don't have buying power. Nobody is interested I mean, nobody. Smart money, smart money is not interested in altcoins. They are interested in Bitcoin. And um, as I said, we are in bear market since last year. We already have 1 year, 1 year and a few months, 1 month, I think. And I started warning people about this, bear market crash and all this since Bitcoin was, I think, $35,000 or something like that in April, back in April. And Bitcoin, it's the only thing I know that it's not manipulated like by the marketing, by CEO, any CEO or anything like that, like Elrond or Casper or whatever, Solana or anything. They can do the marketing stuff, and they can pump the price up. But Bitcoin doesn't have any CEO. The only thing that can pump it is market dominance, the current situation in the economy. Okay, so we are heading to a recession, so that means Bitcoin is gonna go down, and stock market is gonna go down, house market, real estate down, everything down. Okay, and one more thing, what can pump Bitcoin? It is big big VCs like big companies like BlackRock, Vanguard. Okay, they are very very big. They own more than, so actual money that they own, it's more than in the circulation. Okay, they own everything you see, like Apple. They own everything you can see around the world. BlackRock and Vanguard. Okay, and that's the only thing that Bitcoin can pump or altcoins can pump right now. Okay, other than that, nothing. um okay, so it's gonna take few weeks to get this at this level, 48% dominance. But if we get this to 48% dominance, and then Bitcoin itself, the price bit of Bitcoin, it's gonna dump. It's gonna make um, altcoins to feel very very dead. Very dead, of course, is not is not a right term, but people will be very very scared to invest in altcoins. Okay, they nobody will think the altcoin season will be back. Okay, and okay, one more thing I want to mention about it is this beautiful Apple chart. Look at this growth. Look at this. It is crazy. Wow. It is crazy. Okay, in the last 10 years, October, whatever is this? Yeah, 2009, 2008. As you can see here, only up. We have some drops, of course. We need drops because it's very healthy to have some capitulation to market makers to get some money back from the for the from the short-term investors. Okay, the people that are buying high and sell low. So that's why we have some drops here. Okay, up and then drop, up and then drop, up, drop. But look at here. Look at here how big is this growth since 2020. Wow, since 2020. Ooh, okay. Um, yeah, it is crazy. I think Apple, as I know, Apple has some troubles in China with semiconductors, wherever, and they gonna miss this quarter four earnings. And when a company missed this quarter four earnings, usually their stock are dropping very hard, like 30%, 30%, 40%. It depends of the company. Facebook, as I know, they missed one quarter. I forgot which quarter was that, and they dropped like 30% in just one day, I think. And imagine 30% in Facebook, which is a uh, stock market company, which people are are heavily invested and big investors are in stock market. But imagine in if Apple or um, on any other company drops or maybe S&P 500 can drop like 30%. Imagine if S&P 500 drops 30% in one day, what's going to happen with Bitcoin? What's going to happen with altcoins? If Bitcoin drops like 50% from this price, Bitcoin, let me see, Bitcoin USD. Bitcoin right now, look at this. Wow. And this is weekly. It's weekly. It doesn't even move. As you can see here, it doesn't even move weekly. It's the same price since 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks. 6 weeks since FTX drop. I think was this one was FTX drop. I think yes. Um, okay, imagine if Bitcoin drops right now 50%. Let's say not 50%, 40%, 30%, and it goes to $10,000, $11,000. Okay, how do you see altcoins? Where do you see altcoins going from this price or from the price that Bitcoin will drop? I think altcoins may go way lower. Altcoins can drop, if Bitcoin drops 30%, altcoins can drop 40%, 50%. Okay, so that's why right now I am not DCAing. It's not the right time to DCA. I think we can wait a little bit more. We can wait for the recession to be announced, because we are in the recession, but they are not announcing. They are sending money to Ukraine. Okay, they are hiding this recession, which is not really healthy. Okay, the interest rate is going up, as we know. Inflation is still up, like 7% in America, but in other countries, for sure, I'm 100%. It's way higher than America inflation, and Jeremy Powell says from 7% he wants to bring down the inflation to 2%. That means we're gonna see 2 times more, at least 2 times more interest rate raising up. Okay, at least 2 times, or we can see more unemployment. Okay, unemployment rate going up, uh, and that is not healthy for the economy. Okay, the people will get hungry. Okay, they will need money. And at that time, I think we may see. I think it's gonna take 1 or 2 months to for the recession to be announced. 1 or 2 months. Okay, I didn't expect to that to be that long. I expected to be in November or at least December, but they are pushing way more. So maybe January, February, we're gonna see the recession announced. Okay, I'm gonna be prepared. I'm getting cash right now, so I'm gonna be prepared for the red days and the bloody streets that we're gonna see. Okay, one more thing I want to discuss. It is the Max X exchange and X Max energy, wherever they are building right here, because I don't. I mean, it is built to have to make people focus on something else than money, than um, earning, than trading, than you know, buying low and selling high. It's they are making so confused for the regular people, you know. So the regular people can make mistakes. They can, you know, buy high and sell low, or buy high and never uh, be back at the same price, which I think max is never, it is never gonna be back at the same price like the launch price. Never. I mean, not in in the next 2 or 3 cycles, in my opinion. Okay, never gonna be that high. So I wanted to discuss about this xmax energy rewards, whatever you called. I think, my opinion, it's bullshit. A lot of people will make a lot of mistakes. They're gonna look for 4 years because they don't know what they are doing. They are saying, it's 4x more money, 4x more rewards. Okay, but from my perspective, it is not what I want, and all I see here, it is exit liquidity. Like the max token was exit liquidity, as we know. it was it was designed to be an exit liquidity. Okay, so maybe well, sometimes it's good, because if the project, it's a good project, it's a good team, and they are working, okay, I understand that, because they need money to pass this bear market, recession, and they're gonna come back with more products, um, and they're still building. But most of the projects are exit liquidity, and they will never be back. They will never gonna come back. Okay, here in this locked max and x max rewards, here is what I can see. Okay, let's say we have 1 million 1 million locked max. Oh, let me 1 million locked max, or x max, whatever energy, x max energy. Let me see. Okay, this is too big. Okay, let me see. Does it show? Yeah, it shows there. Okay, 1 million max x max coins or energy, whatever is that. Okay, and this 1 million max, it's worth $100. This is my math. $100. I mean, this is not based on real price. It's just fiction, okay? Let's say 1 million max, X max, it's $100. I would just want to make it clear to see the my calculation, my thoughts on this rewards. Why I think is not it is not worth to lock your X max for 4 years. I really do not believe you can lock your Xmax for 4 years. I cannot believe that. It's not worth it at all. Okay. Okay. So we have 1 million Xmax, and that's worth $100. Okay. At the end of the 4 years, you're gonna have a little bit more than 1 million Xmax. Not that much. Okay, let me see. Okay, this is for 1 year. Okay, after 1 year, after 2 years. Okay, this is 1 year. Oops. Okay, 2 years. I wanted 2 years. 2 years. Why? 2 years, you're gonna have, let me see, that 1 million times 2. At the end of the first year, I think you're gonna have double, which is 2 millions, yeah. 2 millions. This is 360 days times 2. So 1 million times 2, it's 1 year. And 2 years, another times 2. Oops, sorry. Another times 2. So we have 4 millions after 2 years. Let me write it down. 4 million, oops, X max, the beautiful X max, the beautiful, not worth it X max. Okay. And that's gonna be in, let's say, in 2 years, it's gonna be $400. Okay, 1 million max, it's 1 million makes it $100. Let's say the price is it's not gonna change. 4 millions, it's $400. Okay. Okay. Now, 4 years. Okay, 4 years. We will have for each year, so 1 million 1 year, 1 million times 4, and another times 4. Okay, so each year we're gonna have 4 millions, of coins. I mean, energy points, let's say energy points. So we're gonna have 16 millions. 16 millions. 16 millions. X, or energy points. Energy points. Let me. Okay, so this X max is not X max, it's energy points. 4 million energy points, 1 million energy points, 16 million energy points. Let's say that, okay? So after 4 years, we're gonna have 16 millions energy points, which is gonna be $1,600. Let's say $600. $1,600, okay? Okay. Let me see. Where? Okay, let's say after 2 years, okay, after 2 years the price is gonna be your 4 millions of X max or energy points is gonna be worth it like not $400, will be $4,000. Let's say it 10x, okay? It's not that hard to 10x, but okay, let's say $4,000. Okay, $4,000 and 16 millions of energy points will be 10x more, okay? I mean, after 4 years we're gonna be in 2026, which I think is gonna be a bear market. In my opinion, it's gonna be bear market. But let's say it's you're gonna have 10x more money. So 1,600, it's gonna be $16,000. $16,000 because of the price, 10x price. Okay. Oops. So here, after 2 years, you earn $300 more. After 4 years, if the price is the same, okay. After 4 years, you're gonna earn how much? 1,500 more, 1,500 more dollars than first year. But here is the math. Here you're gonna be in a recession, okay, in 2024, 2026, not recession, bear market, okay. So people have to look at this. It's a must look. Every 4 years we're gonna have a pump, and every 4 years we're gonna have a dump, okay? 2026 bear market, and here it's gonna be 2025, 2020, yeah, 2024, 25, let's say 2025, bull market, but here now 2026, 2027, wherever, which is bear market, okay? Anyways, bear market. But here is the smart thing. Okay, after 2 years you're gonna sell at the top. We're gonna sell at 10x. Let's say we sell at 10x, which you make from $400, you're gonna make $4,000, okay? And then you're gonna wait 1 more year and you are able to buy at 90% off or 90% drop, which 90% dropped cancel 10x, okay? So if you buy a coin that is 90% down, from the all-time high. That means you have $400, you sell at $4,000, 10x more money. Okay, and then you wait for 90% drop. 90% drop. Okay, with that $4,000, with this $4,000, okay, that you have on the side because you sold 4 millions of energy points wherever X max. Okay, because you locked for 2 years, not 4 years. Okay, you sold and you have $4,000. And okay, at 4 okay, where is it? It is worth it for $4,000. Okay, because you sold $4,000 for millions of X max, which you bought again at 90% drop, which is $4,000 at 40 millions energy points. I just want to make sure it's clear. Everything is clear here. Okay. Nothing is bad here. Nothing is bad. It's it's right what I say here. Okay, you have $4,000, 40 millions energy points, which if you look again, if you look again for 2 years, look at this. If you look for 2 years, okay, if you play like from the 2 to the next 2 years, you're gonna have, oops, sorry. Let me do the math again. You're gonna have $4,000 times 2 times 2, $16,000. Okay, after 2 more years, that's gonna be the, let's say, the rewards. Okay, rewards. I mean, not the rewards. I mean, actually, yes, the rewards, because it's gonna be 10x more rewards. Okay, and then so this is gonna be in 2026, 2027. I mean, it's gonna be 2000, maybe 28. Yes, 2028. So you're gonna lock now, which is 2022. You're gonna unlock in 2 years, 2024, 2025. Actually, 2025, because it is, close to the end of the year, 2025, and 2 more years, 2027. Actually, yeah, 2027, and when it's gonna be maybe the next bull market, 2027, 2028, maybe, we'll see. So 2027, you're gonna have $16,000 in rewards. Let's say these are fake numbers, not real numbers. Okay, yeah, I'm just doing the math that I see on these energy points. 2 times more, 3 times more, 4 times more. Okay, 2027, you have $16,000 in rewards. But here is not 2026, here is 2027, 2026 at the end of the 2026, beginning of 2027, which is bear market. Okay, and here is the difference. But here is 10x price. which is not possible to have 10x price. But here is the thing: you have here, you have 40 millions of energy points in 4 years, 4 years, doing 2 years period, okay? And here, 4 years, you're gonna have the same thing, 16 millions. Here is the trick that nobody knows. I mean, nobody is telling you. Here is the trick. So, people that are locking their max right now for 4 years, they're gonna get screwed on this. They're gonna, I 100% they're gonna get screwed on this. Okay. And after 4 years, you're gonna make more energy points than them, and you're gonna have more money than them. Okay. Yeah, that's what I wanna share with you, because having 40 millions energy points will give you more rewards than 16 millions 16 millions of energy points, if you know what I mean. I guess you understand this. Yeah, but for me it's not worth it. It is not worth it to... Here is 10x price, but it's not gonna be 10x price. It is not gonna be 10x price in 2026, 2027. It is not gonna be 10x price. It's gonna maybe this in 2 years it's gonna be 10x, and then drop 90% down